Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen. So I wanted to do this somewhat like a blog today, or a vlog today, because I know last week I skipped one of the videos because I've been super busy and I wanted to update you guys on what's going on. So if you don't know, and if you're following me on Instagram, I'm sure you know, we here in Vegas started a Rosas Keto Treats. So my heart really, even as I put out the recipes for you guys, is to share, delicious food, recipes, ways for you guys to stay on track on the ketogenic diet or low carb diet, or even those who are dealing with diabetes, and keeping things gluten-free as well. So I decided to make that website, so I can share all the things that I made for my family, how I'm staying on track, etc. And so now, since I've been baking for other people, and a lot of times I had people over to try out the treats, as a kind of like a taste test thing, when I was putting recipes and food for the website, that they asked me, hey, would you cook for me? And so I end up cooking for other people, and then kind of like a mini personal chef. And then all of a sudden it kind of elevated to the point where people wanted me to cook for them. They pay me. So I thought, well, I might as well do this to help more people. So a lot of my friends said, hey, you know what, you should do this. You should go ahead, make yourself like a baked good bakery or some type of bakery so that you could actually be a blessing. Because most people they struggle with more of the breads and more of the cupcakes and the sweets, So hence comes Rosa's Keto Treats. So I decided to get the shop going and just share all the tasty treats that you guys really would enjoy from, that's my dog, and she's agreeing, from cookies, we have everything bagels, we have jalapeno bagels, we have red velvet cupcakes, peanut butter cookies. I mean, we have a gamut of different varieties of treats for you guys to enjoy. So a lot of you who've already been supporting us by coming by and buying the products, I've gotten so many good compliments, so many good reviews, and it just blesses me so much that you guys enjoy what I've been making. So I just wanted to give you an update what's been going on. If you live in Vegas area, or if you're going to come and visit Vegas, which a lot of you guys have, and stop by the shop and bought some of the goodies, go to Rosas Keto Treats.com, and I'll put a link below, okay? And check out the things that we make. Also follow us on our ID account, Instagram account. And if you come into Vegas, stop by and say hi and get yourself some treats. And I just love to see your face. So thank you guys for understanding. And also I want to update and let you know that I might skip out on a couple of these recipe videos that I upload, guys, but I'll definitely continue to cook just delicious food for you guys, post it on the website. But some of the videos may be a little bit sporadic for a little while, but I just know that I still love you guys and I'm not bailing out on you. But if you do come to Vegas, come see me, okay? So I love you guys, and I'm Rosemarie from Faithful Keto Kitchen and also Rosa's Keto Treats. Bless you guys and have an amazing week. We'll talk soon, okay? Bye.